Hello and welcome to the CallFire call tracking introduction video. We're just going to show you how to get started with this product basically by purchasing a phone number and then setting it up to forward. So if you haven't already done so, go up on the upper left in your CallFire account, click on Create, and then on the right you're going to see it says Phone Numbers. Okay, we're going to click on the Buy Phone Numbers link here. And you'll notice when we do, CallFire gives you two options. We can search for toll-free numbers by clicking on this link. We do not offer vanity numbers, so what you see is what we have in inventory. You can click Show More in order to find one that you like. Or we can go to the local numbers, and we can search by city or zip code on the right, and here on the left we can search by area code and then what's called an exchange. For example, 310-555. That's obviously not a real number. We are highly unlikely we'll find the exchange you're looking for, but we will look for something local to that exchange. Bear in mind that these virtual numbers always are assigned different exchanges from cell phones and landlines. So you're not going to get the same number as your cell phone or landline, but you may find one that's local to that particular area. So right now, let's just go ahead and search for something in San Francisco. See if there's anything up in a 415 area code. Oh, and we do. We have some choices here. So just going to go ahead and click on one. Perfect. We have our number. We can show more. We can search for more. We can click this this red symbol here to remove it. So we can get as many numbers in our basket as we like. When we're ready here, we can click on the purchase link. If you do not have credit card information on file, you would be prompted to enter it here. If you do, then you just need to agree to the terms of service. Click on your Confirm Purchase button, and you'll notice here our status is processing. So let's just wait usually takes up to 30 seconds or so for that to come through hopefully it'll be a finished status. And then we can go ahead and configure the number so that it actually does something. What we're looking for it to do, obviously, is to forward to what we call a terminal number. Most often this is a business, although it can certainly be your cell phone or any other 10-digit number. At this time, we cannot forward to a URL. We cannot forward to a website or anything like that. So we can only forward to another 10-digit number. Okay, and it's finished. Perfect. Here's our receipt. This receipt will also be in our account. I can print it here. Right, I'm just going to return to CallFire. Go back in. Now I want to set this up to forward. So I'm going to click on the numbers link at the top. And I do have some, this is obviously a test account we use. I had some numbers purchased frequently. Well, I'll go ahead and use this one. You'll notice here that it's in a pending status as it was just purchased. Once the number receives a phone call or a text message, it will go from pending to on. So right now it just means we've purchased it and it's just hanging out there. So if we click on it now, we could do, whoops, let's go back a minute, and let's check the box in front of it there, and we're going to click on Configure Tracking. Configure Tracking is the simplest way of setting up our number. Here we can put in whatever forwarding number we would like. Okay, that's the CallFire customer support line. I'll put that in here. You'll notice on this page there are many different options. You can view in the help what all these mean. You can hover your mouse also over these question marks to get some more information about what they all mean. We can't go through all of them, but just the most popular right now is to record all calls. CallFire will do that for you. It's free of charge. There are also some sounds you can select here. So People who call in can hear a brief message before they're transferred, or you as the recipient can hear a message before we put the call through. You can set up after hours if if people call late, tell them what you want to do. Receive notification. You can get an email every time a call comes in, so you know someone's contacted you. Plenty of options. But for right now, let's just go ahead and we'll just put in our forwarding number and we'll record all calls and finalize that. You can change these options at any time as well. And here we have our phone number here, we have our transfer number, and here you'll notice it still says pending. It could take up to 24 hours for the phone number to be configured. It is almost always faster than that. One way we can test it is by giving it a call, which I'm doing now on my cell phone. And let's see.
Thank you for calling CallFire. If you know your party's
Oh, and it worked, so I'm going to hang up now. Whoops. I'm going to refresh the screen. And we see now accept calls is on. Because once it hit, it got the first call, it just turned on. So now our number's set up, it's transferring here. The same thing is true as text. If I send a text message to this number, the accept text will then go to on. But for now, let's just look. We'll click the phone number. Only have one call so far. If I had any text records, they would be here under the text record section. My call records, I'll click on those. We'll see that I have our phone number. Let's click on this arrow. I have one incoming call from this number. If I go ahead and click on the details, I can see the recording is here. I can listen to it, the number that came in. And basically that's the CallFire call tracking. Obviously this, as your calls come in, you'll see a lot more here on the call record screen. This will begin to populate down. You can export all these informations. You can filter it according to your needs. But basically those are the steps. We purchase our phone number, we configure our phone number, and then as the calls come in, we go to the call records page. We can view our incoming calls, listen to our messages, and export the data for later. So basically that's it. If you have any questions about how to use this product, please give us a call. Here's the number here, 213-221-2289, and someone over here will be happy to walk you through it. Okay, so thanks a lot for your participation, and have a great day.